Hi viewers, you're welcome to chemistry classes, please. Today we want to treat an important topic, solution and solubility. This topic is very important. It always comes out in every chemistry exam. You must see it either in objective, in theory, in practical questions, you always see solubility there. So what is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. A solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, and the solution is made up of solutes and solvents. Solution is made up of solutes and solvents. It contains solutes and solvents. Solute is the substance that dissolves in a solvent. Solvent is mostly in liquid medium, while the solute can be solid, it can be liquid, it can also be gaseous. Solvent is mostly liquid but can still be gas or solid. Then we have classes of solution. We have saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and then supersaturated solution. We have saturated solution, we have unsaturated solution, and then we have supersaturated solution. What is a saturated solution? A saturated solution is a solution that contains maximum amount of solute it can dissolve at a particular temperature. So we say that saturated solution is a solution that contains maximum amount of solute that it can dissolve at a particular temperature. So for saturated solution, the solute is equal to solvent. So it contains enough solute that it can dissolve at that particular temperature in the absence of any undissolved salt. But when it comes to unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less solute than it can dissolve at a particular temperature. For unsaturated, it contains less solute than it can dissolve at a particular temperature. So, coming to unsaturated, the solute is less than the solvent. In the sense that when you add more solute to it, it can still dissolve it. Then, coming to supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than it can dissolve at a particular temperature. Supersaturated contains more solute than it can dissolve at a particular temperature. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you are coming across my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe. Like, comment, and share this so that other students will learn from it. Then we also have types of solution. solution is a solution where the solvent used is water. So a solution that contains water, that is aqueous solution. While chemical solution is a solution that is formed through chemical reaction. Coming to this aqueous solution, in most cases, if you see a chemical reaction where you will see aqueous ammonia, AQ in brackets, this is aqueous, telling you that the solvent used there is water. In some cases, you may see HCl, aqueous, is telling you that the solvent used in that solution is water. Then, now let's go into solubility. Solubility. What is solubility? Solubility. What is solubility? Solubility of a solute in a solvent at a particular temperature is defined as the maximum as the amount of solute in mole or gram that will dissolve in 1 dm³ of a solvent at that particular temperature. Particular temperature is defined as the amount of solute in mole or gram that can dissolve in 1 dm³ of solvent at that temperature. And when we talk about solubility, we have solubility in mole per dm³ and we have solubility in gram per dm³. So solubility is expressed in mole per dm³ or gram per dm³. Solubility in mole per dm³ is also known as molar concentration. While solubility in gram per dm³ is known as mass concentration. Solubility in mole per dm³ is also known as molar concentration, while solubility in gram per dm³ is also known as mass concentration. What is molar concentration? Molar concentration is the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 dm³ of a solvent, while mass concentration is the mass of a solute in gram dissolved in 1 dm³ of a solvent. Now, let's look at the formula used in solving for solubility of a substance. So, formula. For solubility in mole per dm³, for solubility in mole per dm³, solubility in mole per dm³, using formula mass of solute over molar mass times 1000 over volume. So solubility in mole per dm³ equals to mass of solute over molar mass times 1000 over volume. Why solubility? Solubility in gram per dm³ is equal to There are also other formulas used in solving questions that concern solubility. If the question given to you that determines the formula you are going to use. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification button so that you will not miss any of our lessons. See you in my next video. Like, comment.